Dear children, yesterday I was taught you agriculture in geography. In this chapter, I taught you important terms and what is agriculture. Now, types of agriculture. Based on agriculture practice size of the term tools and technique used crops grown, the types of livestock kept and the proportion of the output retained by the farmer. Agriculture may be broadly divided into two categories: subsistence agriculture and commercial agriculture. Subsistence agriculture, there are two types: nomadic herding and safety cultivation, and also intensive agriculture. सेकंड कमर्शियल एग्रीकल्चर. तो फर्स्ट पहले नोमैडिक एग्रीकल्चर. दिस इज प्रैक्टिस बाय पीपल who rear cattle, sheep, goats, camels, yak. These animals are fed on the local vegetation. Herders move with their animals from one place to another in search of fodder. It is practiced in Sahara, East, South, West Africa, West and Central Asia and Northern Eurasia. The Bedouins of Arabia and Sahara, the Kyrgyz of Central Asia, and Yakuts and Samoyeds of Siberia are typical nomadic herders. Shifting cultivation. This farming method is also known as a slash and burn agriculture and is practiced by very small population living in dense forest of tropical Africa, Southeast Asia and some region of India. The land is prepared for cultivation by felling trees and burning them. Crops like maize and cassava are grown using simple tools, with the produce is consumed by the community. People move from one area to another when the soil loses its fertility. In India, it is known by several names such as Kodu in Odisha, Jhum in northeast, Kumari in western Ghat, Walra, Rajasthan, Penda in Madhya Pradesh. Intensive agriculture. In this practice of farming, farmers get a very high per hectare yield by using good quality seeds, ample fertilizer, ensuring regular water supply and using more laborers. More than one crop is grown on the same piece of land because of fertile soil and good climate. It is prevalent mostly in the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Rice is the main crop, while others include wheat, maize, pulses and oilseed. Most of the produce is consumed locally. Commercial agriculture. The basic purpose of commercial agriculture is to sell the produce in the market. Therefore, the farmer selects one particular suitable crop for which is called crop specialization. This type of agriculture has two main forms: commercial grain farming and plantation agriculture. Commercial grain farming. This is mostly practiced in the middle latitudes. Crops are grown for commercial purpose mostly in developed countries like Canada, USA, Russia, Ukraine, Argentina, Australia and some parts of India. Wheat is the most important crop grown in India. In the USA, there are distinct wheat, corn and cotton belts. In these areas, per person, availability of land is very high. Farms are of huge size, separate over hundreds of hectares. Most of the work on the farm is done by machines like tractors, laborers, seed drills and combine harvester. Compared to the intensive agriculture, the amount of the capital and labor applied per unit of area is relatively small here. It is hectare, therefore called extensive agriculture, but the total yield is very high because of large area under cultivation. In Europe, there has been a trend of diversification of crops instead of specialization. Cereal, wheat, and oat, vegetables, oilseed, and roots, sugar beet are mainly grown. When crops are combined with the rearing livestock, it is known as mixed farming. It is common in Europe, Eastern North America, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Raising cattle for milk produce, known as dairy farming, is also prevalent in these countries. Now, plantation agriculture. It is a well managed and organized system of agriculture which is prevalent in the tropics. Crops like rubber, tea, and coffee are grown on large plantations. Large amount of labor and capital are needed for such plantation. Most of the processing is done on the plantation itself. Specialization of the single crop is the key element in this agriculture. Tea in India and Sri Lanka, coffee in Brazil and Colombia, banana in Latin America and Caribbean Iceland, cocoa in Ghana, sugarcane in Cuba, etc. are some plantation crops. These plantations were originally developed by the Europeans. Now most of them are owned and managed by local government or private companies. The produce is sold in the national as well as international market. Horticulture, growing of fruits and vegetables. Truck farming, growing of vegetables around big cities for local consumption. And floriculture, growing of flower, have also emerged as new trends in commercial agriculture. Now, food crops rise next day.